welcome back. My name is Rose and this is the third video of my culinary journey around the world. Today we will be traveling to Iran to make a history-rich, religiously significant dessert, Shir Berenj. Shir Berenj, also known as milk broth, is a dish made with milk and rice and infused with the rich flavors of rosewater and cardamom, often topped with nuts and fruit. This delicacy requires care, cooked over a long period of time on low heat. Shir Berenj is mostly served during iftar, the fast-breaking meal at sunset during the holy month of Ramadan. For many, Shir Berenj is often associated with the warm memories of time spent with family and friends, and the celebration of religion. There are two theories about the history of this dessert. The first theory says that the origin of Shir Berenj goes back to China and East Asian countries. The second theory states that it originated in India, where it was prescribed as a diet for Indian kings by a doctor. Regardless of where it originated, there is research that Shir Berenj dates back to 6,000 years before Christ, making it an ancient and sacred delicacy. Now that you know a bit about Shir Berenj, let's make it. First, add 1 cup of short grain white rice to a bowl. Rinse your rice in water until it is mostly clear. Once rinsed, drain the milky water from the rice. Now, pour cold water over the rice until it is submerged and soak it for a minimum of 2 hours. After 2 hours have passed, drain the rice completely. Next, add the rice to a large pot. Combine it with 2 cups of water and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Turn the burner onto low heat and cook the rice until it falls apart and no clumps remain. Now add in 4 cups of whole milk and bring the Shir Berenj to a simmer over medium-high heat. Once simmering, turn the burner back onto low heat. Now add 2/3 of a cup of sugar and stir the mixture until it dissolves. Next, cook the mixture for 40 minutes until it thickens, making sure to stir often to prevent sticking or burning. Now add a 1/4 cup of rose water, along with a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cardamom. Continue cooking for another 10 minutes. Finally, remove your Shir Berenj from the stove and serve. We just made Shir Berenj from Iran. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will link the recipe down below for anyone interested. See you next time!